Putting your foot down, mastering assertiveness in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, put one's foot down. This expression is widely used in English to convey a specific attitude or action, and understanding it can really help you in both personal and professional communications. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this powerful phrase. To put one's foot down means to assert oneself in a situation firmly and decisively. It's when someone decides to stand their ground, showing they are serious about a particular issue, often after a period of hesitation or negotiation. This phrase is commonly used when someone wants to make it clear that they are not going to change their mind, or when they demand that something be done or stopped because they believe it is the right thing to do. While the exact origin of put one's foot down is a bit murky, it's believed to have come from the act of literally placing one's foot firmly on the ground as a symbol of determination or claiming a position. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used to signify taking a firm stand on an issue or making a decisive and final decision. 1. In a family setting, after weeks of negotiation, I finally had to put my foot down and tell my kids that bedtime is strictly at 8 p.m. 2. In the workplace, the project manager put his foot down and insisted that no further changes would be made to the project scope. 3. In personal relationships, she put her foot down and told her friend she could no longer borrow money without paying it back. Understanding how to use this phrase in various contexts can enhance your English communication by allowing you to express assertiveness clearly and effectively. It's important to know that putting your foot down should be used in situations where you need to be assertive without being aggressive. It's best applied in scenarios where you have the authority or moral high ground to make a stand, or when it's crucial to set clear boundaries. However, it's also vital to ensure that this expression is used respectfully and appropriately, considering the feelings and perspectives of others. And there you have it. You now know what it means to put one's foot down in English, where it comes from, how to use it in sentences, and when it's appropriate to use it. This phrase is a great tool for expressing determination and assertiveness, and we hope this video helps you use it confidently in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.